Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of mine. So for today I'll be talking about the NYX eyebrow cake powder. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. The packaging looks like this. This is probably like 2 inches in width, and yeah, it's pretty small and handy. And the cover looks like a mimic of a gem, as you can see, and the sides are totally matte. At the back you will see what you're getting. So you'll be getting 2.65 grams and some ingredients. Now I'm just going to open this up so that we can clearly see what's going on. You have the wax here and the 2 brow colors. This is a really nice spoolie, but it's kind of tiny, but it's cute. Now this is a angled brush. It's kind of really thick, but it's really compact, as you can see, but it's not the best brush in the world as you take a closer look at it. I'm just going to swatch it first on my finger. This shade is blonde. That looks really nice. Let's go ahead and try this one out. I'm going to use this spoolie first, just so that I could remove the foundation that was stuck on my eyebrows. I got this one at Ulta, by the way. They had a promotion. It was buy 2 get 1 free. I'm not sure about the exact price, but this is around $7. So right now I'm just getting some product using their angled brush that is provided with a kit, and I'm going to start on my bottom eyebrow, like the usual one. This one is so thick, like I'm really having a hard time, as you can see. It really gives you that full thick line. So I'm just going to change the brush because I really don't feel comfortable with it. It's gonna take me nowhere. So here I'm just using my Echo Tools angled brush, and I'm just carefully putting the product on my eyebrow the way I always do. And then I'm going to start not a little bit halfway, but I'm going to leave a little space from the top so that we can have that really nice transition. So I'm trying to flicker it out, but it's really not that pigmented, if you ask me. So I'm just going to continue doing these small strokes so that the powder could sink in underneath the hairs. I'm not really satisfied at all. I'm just gonna get a Q-tip to clean that up. So I'm just going to clean this up and then continue on my next brow. By the way, I recently left shopping at Ulta just so because they always have this promotion, like the buy 2 get 1 free, something like that, or buy 1 get the second 50% off. And they usually send me these $3.50 off coupon, and I find that really helpful because, you know, I'm a makeup addict and it really saves you a lot of money and you have some points and all that stuff. So I'm really obsessed with shopping with Ulta right now because I'm saving a lot. So now I'm just going to put on the wax, and I'm going to use their brush, and I'm going to gently put that above my eyebrow. It's just slipping and sliding everywhere. This is, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just so messy for me. I know you just need to use like a little amount, but it still doesn't work out for me. Now I'm just going to use this spoolie to clean it up and even it out. Why is this so difficult? After spooling it out, I can feel that the product was removed. That is why I'm going to add another layer to make it more defined, and I did the same thing on my other eyebrow. I wasn't really satisfied with my first try on. That's why after that clip, I decided to remove and redo it again with a thinner brush. So using a thinner brush made me have more control with the powder. I mean, it is not pigmented, and when you're trying to put it on your brows, it's just going everywhere, like north, south, west, east. It's just literally everywhere. I mean, that's just my opinion. So what I did here is that I put on the wax first, and then after that I decided to put the brow color. Yesterday when I tried this product, I was like, oh my goodness, I don't want to see this product ever again in my whole life. But then again, I started to think that maybe it's the brush, maybe it's the foundation underneath. There are so many things that can cause it. That is why today I decided to redo it again, and I was quite successful with it. So the first thing I did is that I applied wax, which is, I know that should be like the last part that you should do about it, but I found a way to work with this product and I'm really happy with it. It looks so beautiful. It has completely justified itself for the second time around and I'm really happy with it. I wish they could have just combined the two brushes into one and make it a little bit thinner, because the thick brush just ruins everything. I mean, even if you have the right product, but if you have the wrong tool, it's not gonna work out. So that sums it up for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on my next video.